What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with a quick video just to give you an update. I haven't been on for a while. I've had some personal issues to work out. They're all worked out now. So I am back printing. So what I'm printing, I've got a red Power Ranger Dino Thunder helmet that I'm printing for my son. And I've got a blue Power Ranger Dino Thunder helmet that I'm printing for his friend. The blue helmet wouldn't fit on the P2S, so I had to slice the top off and glue it back on. There was a little issue here with the little nub there. I'll use wood filler or something to bulk that out a little bit. But overall, these turned out really awesome. What I'm doing is using a rubber strap inside, like an elastic strap. And then I have to put the rivets on this one. I've already got the rivets on this one. I will put a link in the description on how to do that. I use a guy online, his name is Dylan. I use his tutorial. Also Frankly Built, I think, has done one or two, but I'm super happy with how these turned out. This one has been sanded, so it's just ready for final paint. This I just got off the printer a couple of days ago. They have to be done by early June, which they will be, but this one's gonna be a pain sanding because my electric sander broke, so it's all gonna be done by hand. But overall, I'm really happy with how these turned out, and I will keep you posted on next steps. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe if you haven't. Sorry this was such a short video. I just wanted to get back into it and let you guys know that I'm still around, and we will catch you soon and show you the progress of this.